Hello there, chefs. Today we're gonna do a recipe of a piri piri chicken burger. The ingredients we're gonna need for this recipe is chicken, our piri piri sauce, pepperoncinis, cream, cucumbers, dill, and hamburger buns. We are gonna use the hamburger buns we did last week. So yeah, So the first step for this recipe is we're gonna take our piri piri sauce and we're gonna put it on our chicken and we're gonna mix it well. And then we're gonna put it in our fridge and we're gonna let it marinate. So now, while the chicken is in the fridge, we're gonna finely slice our cucumber in our pepperoncinos and we're gonna add in our dill to make one of the condiments in our hamburger. Now you can put it in the fridge. Please put the oven to 350 degrees. So now please put oil in the pan and then add the chicken inside of it. If you want, you can add piri piri sauce to it. It would make it even better. And after that, please put it in the oven for 25 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.